English is a global language and we all know about it, but we lack in fluent to speak in English. We lack in confidence to speak in front of any gathering in English. You know the importance of English, but you can't able to master in that. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 simple tips that will make you fluent in English as like me. So this is Vijay and you're watching a video from the Man of Means Club for those who listen. Welcome to the Man of Means Club. The first thing to learn any language is to learn the words. The number of words you know, the much fluent you get. So for that reason you should build up your vocabulary. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary is nothing but stack of words, which means a bunch of words you have collected for your regular routine or to use in your daily speech. Consider your mother tongue. We have a bunch of words, you don't need to learn anything extra, right? Similarly, if you want to master in English, not only in English, in Hindi or in Tamil, whatever you take, the first thing one should have to do is to learn the words. How can you learn the words? Now you need to learn words as you know, but how can you learn to know? Is nothing but just took one article from any newspaper or any online news channels and read out the article, note down the words which you don't know and try to recall those to your memory until it's fixed in your mind, the meaning of that particular word. Right? So the first thing you have to do is to build your vocabulary, build your word power. The second thing, you already build your words, you have a bunch of words in your head, but the problem comes here is you don't know how to pronounce them, you don't know how to use them, which word to use which or when. If it is the challenge, I recommend you to consume content in English. What are the entertainment you are going to take throughout the day, or what are the time you're spending on social media or in YouTube, try to consume the content in English so that it will be helpful to you to learn how to pronounce, to learn how to form a sentence, to learn how to express. In English, for one word there are multiple meanings based on the situation. So you can master on that by consuming content in English. So remember, you have vocabulary and you consume your entertainment still in your mother tongue, you will never ever be fluent in English. For a few days, postpone the content to consume in your mother tongue. Instead, use the English to consume. So now you have done 2 things. The first thing is vocabulary, and the second thing is consuming content, which means simply you're learning about pronouncing the words and sentence formation. And third step, this is the toughest one I think, because the common human tendency is to do whatever he wishes to do when no one is around. But in front of anyone, they are not familiar, they are afraid to do that. So the third thing is nothing but speak up. Speaking in English whenever and wherever it is possible. It's the hardest part I think, because everyone can do vocabulary learning, and the second thing, consuming content in English. That's no one observes them, right? So it's easy for them to do the first two steps, but it's very hard for them to do the third thing, that is speaking in English. If your problem is to speak in front of any familiars or in front of your colleagues, then join in nearby club communities. In this electronic era or in social media, we have multiple clubs or communities to build up our English. Look for such one, or you can join any club like Toastmasters. It's an international community to build the skill, leadership and communication skills. So prefer to join those clubs where like-minded people you can approach them and you can convey your problems freely, because the other guy also have the same problem, same issue. So you won't feel discomfortable. So now you have 3 things. The first one is building your vocabulary. The second one is consume content in English, and the third thing is speaking out. So I think this video is useful to you. If you find this video is useful, type in the comment section as useful, so that it motivates me to do more such useful videos to you. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Ask your friends to share the video or to watch the video to learn a new thing. Thanks for being a wonderful audience.